Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Attribute. Attribute. Attribute means regard as caused by. For example, he attributed the firm's success to the efforts of the managing director. He attributed the firm's success to the efforts of the managing director. Synonyms: ascribe, assign, accredit. Authorize. Authorize. Authorize means give official permission for or approval to. For example, the government authorized further aircraft production. The government authorized further aircraft production. Synonyms: approved, recognized, sanctioned. Await. Await. Await means wait for. For example, we await the proposals with impatience. We await the proposals with impatience. Synonyms: wait for. Bat. Bat. Bat means take role of hitting ball. For example, Ruth came to bat in the 5th inning. Ruth came to bat in the 5th inning. Betray. Betray. Betray means treat treacherously. For example, a double agent who betrayed some 400 British and French agents to the Germans. A double agent who betrayed some 400 British and French agents to the Germans. Synonyms: break one's promise to, be disloyal to, be unfaithful to. Bind. Bind. Bind means fasten together. For example, the logs were bound together with ropes. The logs were bound together with ropes. Synonyms: tie, tie up, fasten. Blast. Blast. Blast means blow up. For example, quantities of solid rock had to be blasted away. Quantities of solid rock had to be blasted away. Synonyms: blow up, bomb, blow. Bleed. Bleed. Bleed means lose blood from body. For example, the cut was bleeding steadily. The cut was bleeding steadily. Synonyms: lose blood, hemorrhage. Blend. Blend. Blend means mix substances together. For example, blend the cornstarch with a tablespoon of water. Blend the cornstarch with a tablespoon of water. Synonyms: mix, mingle, combine. Bless. Bless. Bless means ask for divine favor for. For example, he blessed the dying man and anointed him. He blessed the dying man and anointed him. Synonyms: ask God's favor for, ask God's protection for, give a benediction for. Boast. Boast. Boast means talk with excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's achievements or abilities. For example, she boasted about her many conquests. She boasted about her many conquests. Synonyms: brag, crow, swagger. Bounce. Bounce. Bounce means rebound after hitting something. For example, the ball bounced away and he chased it. The ball bounced away and he chased it. Synonyms: rebound, spring back, bob. Bow. Bow. Bow means play violin with bow. For example, the techniques by which the pieces were bowed. The techniques by which the pieces were bowed. Breach. Breach. Breach means break through wall or barrier. For example, the river breached its bank. The river breached its bank. Synonyms: break, break through, burst. Breed. Breed. Breed means mate and produce offspring. For example, toads are said to return to the pond of their birth to breed. Toads are said to return to the pond of their birth to breed. Synonyms: reproduce, produce offspring, procreate. Burst. Burst. Burst means break open or apart suddenly and violently. For example, we inflated dozens of balloons and only one burst. We inflated dozens of balloons and only one burst. Synonyms: split open, burst open, break open. Carve. Carve. Carve means cut hard material. For example, the wood was carved with runes. The wood was carved with runes. Synonyms: sculpt, sculpture, engrave. Cater. Cater. Cater means provide food and drink for event. For example, he catered a lunch for 20 people. He catered a lunch for 20 people. Cease. Cease. Cease means come or bring to end. For example, the hostilities had ceased and normal life was resumed. The hostilities had ceased and normal life was resumed. Synonyms: come to an end, come to a halt, come to a stop. Circulate. Circulate. Circulate means move freely through area. For example, antibodies circulate in the bloodstream. Antibodies circulate in the bloodstream. Synonyms: flow, course, move round.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.